I'm here at ExCeL at central London, just here making the new makeshift hospital. Just currently making up cables for it, but I didn't take this virus to be very seriously until, you know, saw this morning. I come in and this is the size of the hall. This is where it's all going. We've got 4,000 beds to go in, 2 morgues. This hall is 1 kilometre long, you know, and there's a hall out on the other side as well. Not sure what's happening there. I just want to keep you all updated, and if you're not taking it seriously like I wasn't, I think we really need to start, because they're preparing for an absolute high death toll here, you know. So there we go, ExCeL, London. Welcome to NHS Nightingale.